So guys, so now fuselage. We will need to clear some parts. You can make it by my fingers and knife. It's quite easy to clear it, to clear the PLA imperfections. This is because the active foaming of the filament. There is no way to print it without these imperfections for this part, because it can be designed as waste mode in this case. So now again, try it without glue. Hop. Now apply CA glue to the outer flange and also to the inner structure of the fuselage. Okay, and again, now apply the CA glue activator, setter or kicker, or as you want to call it. Hop. It's set. So continue the exact same way with the other part of the fuselage. So please take caution. Don't glue this last part of the fuselage. We will glue it after the elevator will be installed, okay? Now the front part, let's use filament again.